Let's smash our pips. We're placing these dominoes on this board, dude. The numbers tell us totals in those sections, and the equal signs are telling us that all of those values are the same. So this not equals 2 means that these two have to be different. But this pink section has 4 of the same number. Looks like we got kind of a lot of dominoes today. I think this 22 sum might be pretty telling. I'm seeing that we have 4 5s. That's the only number that's immediately popping out. Okay, we also have 4 zeros. We have 4 2s. Okay, yeah, so this pink section might not be that easy to figure out. But 22, I think the only way I'm doing that, I guess I could do 3 6s and a 4, or 3 6s and a 4, or 2 6s and 2 5s. I only have 2 6s. So I can't do 3 6s and a 4. So this is just going to be 2 6s and 2 5s for sure. And since I need 2 5s in here, these can't be 5s. They could still be 0s or 2s. Oh, this has to be a double domino. There it is. Okay, so that's going to be telling because this is in a corner. This domino has to go one of 2 directions. And either way, both of these have to be the same number because all of them are equal. So I think double 0 is forced because, yeah, there aren't double 2s. This is the only double domino I have. So this is either going like this or like this. Both of these have to be less than 2. So if this one's going in here, I only have 4 zeros. Okay, so these dominoes absolutely have to be going this way because I don't have a domino that could go here and both be less than 2. I have a 0, 1 domino, but I need all my zeros for this section. Oh, I don't need all my zeros for this section, actually. I have 5 zeros. So this actually could go here, I think. No, because then I would need another double 0. Okay, so this is definitely going, this particular domino is absolutely going here. And then I don't think I have another one that can go in here. So, yeah, so it has to be either a 0 6 or a 0 2. I only have 2 6s. Wait, that thing makes things really tough. So maybe this actually has to go like this. I think that's true. Yeah, I think that's absolutely true because I think this is going to have to go in here. Because the domino has to go like this to fit in here to make this work. And then I think this is going to have to be 2 5s. And then this is going to have to go this way to be 6, my only other 6. All right, so I think I'm figuring stuff out here. So this is less than 1. I think this is probably how this has to go. I'm not positive, but I think I've mostly deduced that. All right, what do we have 3 of? I definitely have 3 4s left. I have 3 2s left, but this has to be a 2, and I have a 2 4 domino right here, which is perfect. Okay, so this. I'm going to say this is 4s for sure. Then we have a 4 1, which would go in this 4 less than 2. We have a 4 3 that could go here. Now whatever this is, it can't be a 3. This has to be a 2. We only have 1. No, we have 2 2s left. Okay, this has to be less than 2. So this has to go here for sure, which means that this is going to have to go here. And I think I've pipped it. I think I have successfully pipped. Spin this thing around a million times and then throw that in there. And we pipped it in under 5 minutes, which is excellent, dude. There it is. Thanks for watching. Catch you later.